Welcome back to the channel. You're watching HQ BMW. So we're here in Cranbrook, BC, heading towards Seattle. For all of you that don't follow me on Instagram, I made top 100 at Stance Wars in Bellevue, Washington. So me and my dad are heading down to Seattle to go to the car show. Because I'm top 100, I get to park on the top floor with TJ Hunt, V's for Builds, a lot of the YouTubers, and the best of the best. So we're making our way down. It's Thursday. We're gonna make it there tonight, and then tomorrow we're gonna go do some sightseeing. I'm gonna bring you guys along to some of the tours and things that we're gonna do, plus find a car wash. The car show is actually Saturday from 5 p.m. till 10 p.m. and then an after party. But I'm gonna bring all you guys along with me. So we just stopped for a little pee break, some coffee, and we're gonna hit the road. So keep watching if you want to see more of Seattle.
It's forcing me to stay.
Alright guys, we're just pulling up to the Canadian-USA border. Made some pretty good time. We're gonna go through here and hopefully not run into any major issues or complications. But hold on, keep watching. Well, we've made it to Sandpoint, Idaho. Got through the border okay, no problems, super quick. I think we were maybe 2 minutes at the border max. Just a couple quick questions and we were on our way. So now we're we just had lunch at Subway. It's pretty good, nice light meal. Now we're gonna get back on the road and head towards Spokane and keep making our way to Seattle. Keep watching, stay tuned. We will be in Seattle in no time. Moses Lake in Washington, about 170 miles from Seattle. The car's doing really well. It's filthy. The front covering that I put on is basically all off, so it didn't work, but that's okay. There hasn't been a lot of gravel or rocks. It's just bugs. So I think with a good deep clean in Seattle, it'll be just fine. We did lose the shield around the Royal Rally, but I'll show you guys right now. Overall, still good trip. 2 more hours of driving and we will be in Seattle. Stay tuned, keep Keep watching. Here we go. We've made it to the hotel, O'Connell Lodge. It'll do. It's good price. It's in Renton, which is just down the street from Bellevue. But we pulled in and I just found, as I was coming out of the hotel, I noticed the Stance Wars van. I'm gonna show you guys the Stance Wars van. Already found it. It's pretty hard to miss, but I'll show you guys. I wonder if one of the Stance Wars employees or one of them must work at the animal hospital boarding in Renton, Washington. Hopefully it's not one of their animals that's actually sick, because that wouldn't be a good way to start the weekend. But I'm sure we're gonna see plenty of more of this on Saturday. So we've come to the car wash. It's almost 10 o'clock at night, but we found a car wash here in Renton, Washington, and it's my first time ever being in an outdoor car wash. In Canada, they're all enclosed. These have no doors, no windows, no nothing. It's kind of cool, but really good car wash, and did a super sick job. I'm happy with the results, and now the car's clean, so when we're cruising around Seattle and stuff tomorrow, we will look presentable from Canada. So let's go back to the hotel now, and we're probably gonna call it a night, pack her in, rest, and get up nice and early for the start of our day tomorrow.